Let's discuss a question from fluid mechanics. So you have a venturi meter, so something like this. So this is at section 1 and this is the throat section, we'll call it as 2. Now we apply the Bernoulli equation between section 1 and 2. So P1 by rho g plus V1 square by 2g. The height is same, so we don't consider the height term. And then P2 by rho g plus V2 square by 2g. Now second is the throat section. Now V1 is something which we need. So continuity equation says that A1 V1 is A2 V2. So V2 is A1 by A2 into V1. A1 by A2, which is pi by 4 D1 square by pi by 4 D2 square into V1. So D1 square by D2 square, the bigger die is 60 by 30 whole square into V1, which is 4 V1. So let's substitute that here. So P1 by rho g. Okay, so let's bring it here. Then the pressure difference is given. So P1 minus P2 by rho g. Let's bring it here. Or okay, the velocity here increases, the pressure will decrease. Okay, so V1 minus P2, so bring it on the left side, and V2 square minus V1 square by 2g. Now g's get cancelled, pressure difference is 20 kPa, so 20 into 10 power 3, density is 1000. Okay, V2 is 4 V1 square, so 16 V1 square minus V1 square by 2. So this is 15 V1 square by 2 and this is 20. So V1, if I calculate from this, 40 by 15, okay, this comes out 1.63 meters per second. So the answer is 1.63 to 1.63 meters per second. So that is the velocity in the flow of the pipe, velocity of the flow in the pipe at section 1, which is a uniform diameter section. Thank you.